Number 1. 1986 dump truck, $7,500, Woody Creek, Colorado. This 1986 dump truck is a practical, work-oriented classic built during a time when American trucks emphasized simplicity and durability. Powered by a gasoline V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission, it delivers dependable torque for hauling and utility tasks. Showing just 37,000 miles and holding a clean title, this truck is best suited as a functional vintage work vehicle rather than a showpiece. Its white exterior and solid overall condition make it well suited for farm use, construction duties, or restoration focused on utility. Number 2. 1986 Toyota 4Runner, $6,000, Santa Cruz, California. This first-generation 1986 Toyota 4Runner is one of the most respected compact sport utility vehicles of its era. Equipped with the legendary 22RE four-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and four-wheel drive, it is renowned for long-term durability and mechanical simplicity. Despite its high mileage of 352,000 miles, it reportedly runs and drives well. The natural patina, surf top or soft top, and coastal character enhance its appeal as a lifestyle-oriented classic. Number 3. 1984 Toyota Extended Cab Truck, $6,000, Monterey Park, California. This 1984 Toyota Extended Cab pickup is a reliable classic compact truck with proven everyday usability. Powered by the fuel-efficient 22R four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, it reflects Toyota's reputation for dependability in the 1980s. Recent updates include smog compliance, a rebuilt carburetor, a new catalytic converter, and new front tires. With a clean title and current California registration, it is well suited for daily driving or light-duty hauling. Number 4. 1986 Ford F-250 XL, $19,500, Clearwater, Minnesota. This 1986 Ford F-250 XL is a heavy-duty pickup designed for demanding work and long-distance travel. It is powered by a 351 Windsor V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a manual transmission and four-wheel drive. Low indicated mileage, extensive service records, and a 2-owner history add credibility. Built during Ford's rugged 80s era, this truck appeals to buyers seeking originality and proven mechanical strength. Number 5. 1979 Chevrolet four-wheel drive truck, $16,500, Darby, Montana. This 1979 Chevrolet four-wheel drive truck has been comprehensively restored and stands out as one of the most complete examples in this group. It features a rebuilt 400 cubic inch V8 engine and a rebuilt automatic transmission with only 425 miles since completion. New paint, a refreshed interior, upgraded exterior components, and a fully functional four-wheel drive system reflect high-quality workmanship. As a half-ton square-body Chevrolet, it combines collectible value with everyday usability. Number 6. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado Factory Shortbed, $24,500, Glendale, Arizona. This 1982 Chevrolet Silverado Factory Shortbed is a highly desirable square-body pickup with extensive restoration and tasteful customization. Powered by a rebuilt 350 V8 engine and rebuilt automatic transmission, it also features air conditioning, power windows, and power steering. The fresh interior, custom paint, lowered stance, and upgraded wheels significantly enhance its appearance. This truck reflects the strong market demand for professionally restored square-body Chevrolets. Number 7, 1968 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $23,500, Milpitas, California. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed is a clean, original-style pickup from Chevrolet's second-generation C Series, equipped with a 327 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. It delivers a traditional driving experience favored by enthusiasts. Showing approximately 50,000 miles and carrying a clean title, it retains its original character while remaining road-ready. Shortbed C10 models continue to gain collector interest due to their proportions and timeless design. Number 8, 1963 GMC Factory 4-wheel drive truck, $25,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1963 GMC 3/4-ton truck is a rare factory 4-wheel drive model with extensive mechanical upgrades. Originally powered by a V6 engine, it now features a rebuilt 327 V8 producing nearly 300 horsepower, a rebuilt transfer case, upgraded hubs, new clutch components, and fully functional electrical systems improve reliability. Restored interior details and oak bed wood complete a truck that blends vintage utility with dependable performance. Number 9, 1949 Chevrolet Pickup Custom, $30,000, Sacramento, California. This 1949 Chevrolet Pickup Custom combines classic post-war styling with tasteful modern enhancements. It features new paint, chrome trim, bedwood, upholstery, and interior finishes, bringing it close to show-ready condition. A V8 engine and automatic transmission improve drivability while maintaining vintage character. With a clean California title and current registration, it is well suited for cruising and classic car events. Number 10, 1966 Chevrolet C10, $29,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 is a rust-free classic pickup with well-executed modern mechanical upgrades. It is powered by a new 350 horsepower engine and a professionally built automatic transmission with approximately 4,400 miles on the drivetrain. Power steering, power disc brakes, and modern air conditioning significantly enhance comfort and usability. As a highly sought-after model year, this C10 offers strong collector appeal and reliable performance. Number 11, 1951 Ford F1 Hot Rod, $32,000, Shafter, California. This 1951 Ford F1 Hot Rod is a fully built custom truck that blends vintage styling with modern performance. It features a fuel-injected 5.0-liter V8 engine, automatic transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, and upgraded suspension components. The satin black finish, custom interior, air conditioning, and extensive mechanical upgrades reflect professional craftsmanship. With only 20,600 miles since completion and a clean title, it is a high-quality classic hot rod ready for shows or cruising.